The Department for Environment and Water, in partnership with Landscapes SA, is co-designing a South Australian framework to advance First Nations water interests.
We want to work with traditional owners to understand their insights, aspirations and concerns about water entitlements, management and planning. Don't miss the chance to have your say and contribute to this important work.
As part of the first stage of engagement, we're hosting a series of workshops across the state to understand the issues, concerns and aspirations of First Nations communities.
This could be about access to water for spiritual, cultural, social, environmental and economic purposes.
After the workshops, we'll share a listening report summarising the key insights, themes and feedback gathered.
We'll then review the feedback and identify common themes and actions.
We'll then host more workshops across the state to build on what we've heard. As part of these workshops, we'll discuss important topics like how to strengthen cultural authority in water planning and management, how to enable First Nations ownership of water entitlements, and how to refine the proposed actions to include in the framework.
We'll then work to finalise the framework and submit it to the state government for consideration.
An engagement report will be sent to participants, summarising the process, outcome and insights from the engagement.
To find out more and contribute to this important conversation, email us at dewwater@sa.gov.au or visit the website.